Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Canva tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to crop images to a circle in Canva. This is actually quite simple. First I open Canva and open my design. Now I go to Elements on the left and scroll down until I get to Frames. Here I drag a circle frame into my design and adjust its size if I want to. Now I select my image, for example under Uploads, and drag it onto the frame. And we can already see that our image is cropped to the frame. By the way, this also works if the image has already been saved here in the design. Even then you can simply drag it onto the frame and it will be cropped accordingly. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!